Now let us look at integrals of polynomials. Here, this is integral 12 x cube dx. So when you compare with the general form, which is ax power b, you can see that the coefficients a is 12 and b is 3. So that is 12 into multiplied into x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus c. So which is 3x power 4 plus c. Now integral 6 by t power 4 dt. So this is integral 6 t power minus 4 dt, which is 6 into t power minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1. So which is 6, or I can cancel this out and simplify this as minus 2 t to the power of minus 3 plus c. Okay, now let us see a few more problems on this. Now let us evaluate these. Now this is 63 by t power 8. So which is 63 t power minus 8 dt, which is 63. This will be minus 7 t power minus 7 plus c, which is minus 9 by t power 7 plus c. Okay. Now here you have fractions. So this is 15 x power 2 by 3 plus 1 divided by 2 by 3 plus 1, which is equal to, I can write this as, when you simplify it, 5 by 3. Okay, this will be 2 by 3 plus 1 is 5 by 3. So 5 goes to the numerator, and 5 will be remain with the, this will become 3 by 5. Okay, multiplied x to the power of 5 by 3 plus c. Okay, which results to 9 x to the power of 5 by 3 plus c. Now let us integrate 48 u power minus 5 into du, which is equal to, uh, this will be 48 u power minus 5 plus 1, which is minus 4, divided by minus 4 plus c, or can write this as minus 12 by u power 4 plus c. And let us see the next one, 8 by x to the power of 1 by 3. So this is which goes to the numerator, which is minus 1 by 3. So it is 8 x to the power of minus 1 by 3 plus 1, which gives to be 2 by 3. And this is 2 by 3 plus c, or you can write this as 12 into x to the power of 2 by 3 plus c. Let us integrate x square minus 3x plus 4, okay, with respect to x. So this will be, usually we can integrate this. So x square will be x cube by 3, and this is 3 divided, multiplied into x square by 2, okay, and this is 4x plus 6. Okay, now this goes to the 1 by u square, that becomes u power minus 2. So integration of that would be 4 to the power of minus 1 by minus 1 minus, and 1 by u will be 4 ln u plus c, or we can write this as minus 1 by u minus 4 ln u plus c. Now let us integrate 10 x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 6 into x to the power of 1 by 2. Now, when you integrate this individually, so this becomes 10 multiplied x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 1, which is 5 by 2. And this is again 5 by 2, okay, plus 6 into, now x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1, which is x to the power of 3 by 2 divided by, this is 3 by 2 plus c, or we can write this when you simplify it as 4x to the power of 5 by 2 plus 4x to the power of 3 by 2 plus c. Okay, so that is your final answer. Now let us integrate uh, root t plus 1 by root t into dt. Now root t is t to the power of half. So this will be t to the power of half plus 1 divided by half plus 1. And since this is t to the power of minus half, this is t to the power of minus half plus 1 divided by minus half plus 1 plus c. Or this is 3 by 2, and which is 2 by 3 t to the power of 3 by 2 plus, yes, 1 by 2, and this is 2 root t plus c. Now let us look at definite integrals, that is, which helps to evaluate a definite, which is definite integral, which is x a to b f of x dx, or okay, which is equal to um, the upper limit and the lower limit and its integral. So it is g of b minus g of a. So let us look at uh, the integral here. So integral, which is x is equal to 1 to 2 9x square dx. Okay. So this is, first you integrate this. So it is 9x square plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. That is integration of x square, and substitute x is equal to 1 to 2. So, so which results to as, so substituting it, we get this as, when you simplify this, 9 by 3 is 3x cube, which is x is equal to 1 to 2. And then this will be 24 minus 3, which is 21. This is the answer. Now let us integrate this 8x cube dx, having the limits 1 to 2. So this is 8x to the power of 4 by 4, and then this is substituting x is equal to 1 to 2. So first let us substitute 1. This can be further simplified as 2x power 4, and this is 1 to 2, and substituting 2. So you get 2 to the raise 4, which is 16, so that is 32, minus 2, which is 30. Now let us look at another problem. Now 3 to the power of half, or minus half. So this is integral, um, sorry, this is 4 to 6, okay? 6 t to the power of minus half dt. Now this is t to the power of minus half plus 1 is half, and this is 2, 4 to 9. Okay. So this is 2, root 9 is 3, minus 2 into 2, minus, this is 4, 6 minus 4, which is 2. Now let us integral uh, for minus 2 to 2 as x cubed 6x squared plus 4x minus 8 dx. Okay, so which would be x to the power of 4 by 4 minus 6x cubed by 3 plus 4x squared by 2 minus 8x. Okay, this is minus 2 to 2. Let us substitute it. So this is 2 to the power of 4, right? Okay, by 4 minus 6 by 3 is 2. This is 2 cube plus 2 square minus 8 into 2 minus of minus 2 to the power of 4 by 4 minus 2 cube plus 2 and minus 2 whole square, and then minus 8 and minus of 2. This, after simplifying, we get this as 64. Okay. Now let us integrate this. So t squared minus 2 over the interval minus 3 to 6. Okay. And this will be 3 t cubed minus 3 into t minus 3 to 6. Let us substitute 6 first. So this is 6 cubed by 3 minus 2 into 6, and then minus of minus 3 whole cube by 3 minus 2 into minus 3, right? So which results to 63. Please do like and share. Okay. So let us have a look at another problem wherein you have integral when x is 1 to e. This is dx by x. Let us solve this. So 1 by x is ln of x. Okay. Now for this 1 to e, so this will be ln of e minus ln 1. So ln of e, which is log e to the base e, which is 1, and this will be 0. Okay. Please do subscribe, like, share. Okay. Thank you for listening. Okay, please do comments if you have any queries.